to show you how to use it, how to hold it, how to like this. Just look at this section. This is look at this section. This is very important. I mean, you need to push it. You need to push it like this and then pull it. See, this is the main lever. So when you are going to fold it or unfold it, this is the main key. So let's have a look at this. So this is the place you are going to press it like this and then pull it like this and then just hold it. And yes, this is closed and you can put it like this. So don't put excessive pressure. It may get damaged. It is very easy. It does not need any force or anything. Again, now you want to open, just push it, pull this position and then do it like this. It's just that easy. So this is the hold. You can put it. It will cover the baby from sun, and you can put it like down like this also. I mean, if the sun is directly from the front, you can put it like this. Your son or baby can see you from this. So this is the another thing. This is the foot plate. I mean, you can see there is a push button in the both side. There is something you can pull it like this. This is the way you can pull it, or again you can push it like this. This is another thing. Okay, so before that, let me show you the harness. This is a very good 5-point harness system. So this is I mean, this is the key. Look at this area. This is the key. So there are total 5 points. You can push it like this. So this, not like this. See, look at this. This is the outer side. So this will go in the outer side. This section will go in the outer side. So just like this. And similarly there is another one. So you will push, your baby legs will be outside. And this is also one thing which you will lock the baby. When the baby is very small, you can lock it like this. And here, if there is a cover, there is something to pull. Again, you will pull it and then push it like this. Again, it will automatically lock. This is the way you can just make it tight, so that there is no chance baby's leg will go down. So mainly that's it. Another thing I want to just show is that every wheel has a lock. So when you want to keep this chair in a fixed position, you just push it like this. So every wheel has a lock. This wheel has a lock also, so it will not move. It is fixed. So it's a 4-wheel lock system, which is excellent. And that's all. And okay, so this is the area you push from the both side and pull it, and you can hold it and push it or pull it. This is any place you can fix it as per your height. I mean, this is fixable at any place. So any place you can fix it like this. And this is the basket. You can put your things here, and that's all. And another thing is this whole thing is detachable. You can wash it also if you want by opening everything, which requires little effort to deassemble and assemble, but everything is washable, everything is cleanable. That's it, more or less. I think the main thing which I have started, that's the most important thing, that you need to close it. I'm just repeating. Push it like this, pull it like this, and then just simple. That's it, and it will stand. Again, when you want to open, push it, pull it like this. That's it. That's all. Thank you. Enjoy.